All right, guys. So you can try this question and you can resume the video for its solution. Basically, a simple question of profit chain. The manufacturer of a table sells it to a wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. Okay, so I'll write the chain and then we'll directly get the answer. We have the manufacturer, and let's suppose he's buying the table for a price of 100 rupees. So let us suppose that the manufacturer is buying at a price of 100 rupees. He sold it to the wholesale dealer at a profit of 10%. 10% means the price increased by one tenth. One tenth of 100 is 10 rupees. So for the wholesaler, the cost is 110 rupees. Okay. Next, the wholesale dealer sells this table to a retailer at a profit of 30%. Now, 30% of 110 is rupees 33. So for the retailer, the cost price is 110 plus 33, 143 rupees. Finally, the retailer sells it to a customer, making a profit of 50%, 50%. 50% of any number is its half. So half of 143 is 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So for C, the cost price is 143 plus 71.5. This would become 214.5. That is the cost price for the customer, selling price by the retailer. Now they have asked us, if the customer pays rupees 4290, so this 214.5 corresponds to 4290, then the manufacturing cost is, so cost for the manufacturer is how much? So we want to find out 100 corresponds to how much. Very simple logic, guys. If you observe 214.5, the double is 429 and we have a zero. That means this number is getting multiplied by 20. So the manufacturing cost is also in that same proportion, increasing by 20. That means the actual manufacturing cost is rupees 2000. And now that is very clearly the B option in this case. So very simple question based on profit chain. That's exactly how we solve this.